Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on.
What's up, guys? It's Shelly from the future here. So I wanted to, I'm editing this video. I'm sitting in bed editing this video, and I realized that I did not film a proper intro. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a brown smoky eye using KKW Beauty's Classic 2 palette, along with her recent launch of her one of her liners, one of her glosses, and one of her lipsticks. I don't know how I forgot to film a proper intro, but here we are. So if you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Yeah, this intro is so wonky, but I needed to get an intro up for you guys. I just couldn't leave you guys hanging like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is prime using ColourPop's concealer. Now I'm going to go into the shade Abundance. It's like a burnt orange shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. The pigment in this shadow is super good. I'm surprised, pleasantly surprised. This palette actually has 6 mattes and 4 shimmers. And I'm just taking and bringing that up to the head of my brow, kind of just there. I'm going to blend it out a little bit. Okay, Kim. I know that there was like a lot of controversy around her line, or her makeup line, like when she first launched. I was not impressed with any of her previous launches, but when I saw this one, I was like, this speaks more to me. So I decided it would make for a good review and good content. I really like that. That's a really pretty brown. All right. I know my lace looks a little wonky. Don't mind it. It's not about the lace, it's about the makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this like ashy brown. It's Terrain. What I'm gonna do is just place that on the outer part of my eye. It'll serve as like a smoky, but I'm just kind of dusting that along my lash line at the top. Oh no, it's looking kind of cute. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I know I always get excited. Hold on. Let me build up on that. Oh, that is so pretty. That is pretty. Okay, so let's go back into that orange color, and let's apply that a little bit more. Kind of blend these colors together. So we're gonna blend in the 2 browns, or that orangish brown and the dark brown. We'll blend that together. So I'm using the dark brown shade to go across the bottom part of my eye. So I'm going to blend that out with the burnt orange shade. Okay, and for my inner corner, I'm going to use neutral. It's like this white, or it's like a bone color, and I'm going to just place that in there. I don't really want like a shimmery inner corner. I'm just gonna keep it matte. So Now I'm going to use this nude liner in my waterline. Now I'm going to put on my lashes. So lashes are on, and now it is, you guys, I'm really feeling this look. Okay, let's move on to the lips. It was really hard for me to choose which lipstick I wanted, which liner I wanted, which gloss I wanted, because if you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know that majority of the time I am in nude, peachy nude, pinky nude, whatever nude lipsticks and lip glosses. So it was really hard for me to choose, but I went with the option that would be more versatile, that I could use with different looks. So I ended up getting this is the Nude 3 lip liner. It's like a dark brown. So I really like this pencil. I'm actually going to keep this on my table because I just love brown lip liners anyway, and I feel like this is like perfect with this look. Okay, so for the lipstick, I ended up getting the Nude 3.5 lipstick, and so it's like this. I really like Kim's packaging. It's like this. It's just super sleek. It's clear. Okay, so you could just leave it like this, but I'm not going to. As you guys know, I'm a gloss girl, so I did end up getting the Nude 3 gloss. What I look for in a gloss is the super glossy sheen, shiny look, so I'm hoping to get that in this one. This one is like a pinkish, kind of like a pinkish color. Again, clear packaging, super simple with the nude top. So let's see. Ooh. All right, Kim. Girl, say less. Say less. Ooh. Are you guys feeling this? Do you guys see this? Okay. This is bomb. Oh. Do you guys see? What the? This is what I look for when I am doing my makeup. It's definitely quality. I absolutely love it. I love how this came out. I am pleasantly surprised. It's really crazy. But her line has been around for quite some time, so she's had time to make the proper adjustments, and I just want to say I'm impressed. The gloss is exactly what I look for in a gloss. The eyeshadow palette is perfect. It's actually perfect for my skin tone and like deeper skin tones. The shades are just really, they're good for everyday wear. So this is like a palette that I would take with me on vacation. I don't feel like any skin tone would not be able to wear this palette just because it is so universal. As far as the lipstick, I like the lipstick. I feel like the color selection was perfect. The liner, I'm so big on, like I said, nude colors. So, I mean, I love it. The gloss was one of the things that I was really excited to try. There are not many glosses on the market that I like, I will tell you guys that. This gloss was perfect. It's super juicy and it has that color. There's like a hint of like that peachy, pinky nude. So it was perfect on my skin tone. I am really surprised. I'm actually really shocked. I don't know if you guys can tell or if you guys can't tell. I'm really shocked and pleasantly surprised. I'm actually like, wow, I'm excited. I love the way that this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this look. Go ahead and like this video if you guys like this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!